Hello friends, welcome to the Boarding House Series 2, and this is purely the documentation of my preparation for the Astronomy Olympia. This has nothing to do with, anything. It is just the preparation process, and I just named it Boarding House because memorizing things are a bit boring, and something in astronomy, there are a lot of things in astronomy that you will have to remember, otherwise you will slip in exam. Let's go with the Messier objects, right? So here we have Messier 1. Today we have two objectives, which is there are around 40 Messier objects, more than 40 I guess. We're going to just identify them all, and another is going to be what I just memorized, right ascension of prominent stars, especially alpha stars of some prominent constellations. Let's get started. M1. Crab Nebula, the N is denoted as nebula by me. Okay, so you could, I think, understand it. It is going to be the nebula, Hercules, Cluster, Great Pegasus, Celestial, Cherryfield, Nebula. I think it's Ring Nebula, Andromeda Galaxy, Triangular Galaxy. It's Little Beehive, Cluster. It is going to be Orion Nebula for obvious reasons. It is Praesipi. Praesipi are the beehive cluster. And it is legs, right? I guess I hope there is no problem at this. Fine. M51 is the Whirlpool Galaxy. It is the Dumbbell Nebula. It's the Sunflower Galaxy. Sunflower Galaxy, I guess. M64. I need to get a sip of that later. Then I will remember. M67 is. I knew this. I need to get a sip of that. M81 is Bore's Galaxy. It's the Cigar Galaxy. It is the Pinwheel Galaxy. Okay, it is a bit. Where's my duster? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Pinwheel. Pinwheel Galaxy. And 102 is a Spindle. The Spindle Galaxy is in Black constellation. Pinwheel is in Ursa Major. M64 and M67, I'm really thinking about them. I think it's. Is it Cat's Eye Galaxy? And is it Little Dumbbell? I'll think about them. Let me have my duster. Yeah. This is it. These are really easy ones. I think it's 63 was the Sunflower Galaxy. I think it's the Cat's Eye. And M67. Is it the king cobra. Is it the king cobra? Animals. So M6. Okay, what's M7? What's M6? That's M11. What's M16? It's eagle. Eagle. Nebula. M17 is Omega. Nebula. M18. M40 is Winnekifoe. M6 is butterfly cluster. M6 is butterfly cluster. M18, M22, M40. M43 is Demian's nebula. And M74 is the phantom galaxy, I guess. M74. M76 is the dumbbell nebula. I mean, little. I think it isn't given this name about the dumbbell nebula, but it's really, I don't know, confusing for some other people, right? So, 78, 6. So we have M78, M83, M94, M97, M6. M7 is the Ptolemy cluster. M7 is the Ptolemy cluster. Ptolemy cluster. There is a great way to remember these things. It's the all nebula. And it's the cat's eye galaxy. M94, how you remember is that M97 has the O nebula. I somehow remember it some years ago. And M94 has to be what you think about O as they can see in night. And when you mutter the word see, you happen to think about eyes. Therefore, somehow it is eye. So we have M11 as the white dot cluster. M11 is the wild duck cluster. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. So we have M78 and M83. M78 is a diffuse nebula. Is a diffuse nebula in Orion. I don't know if it has a name, right? And this one right here, we have M101 as a pinwheel galaxy. Then M83, for some reason, 8 plus 3 is 11. So M83, for that reason, for that mnemonic, M83 is the southern pinwheel galaxy. So what do we have in the remaining? We have M18, M22, I guess. M18 and M22. M22 is the Sagittarius cluster. I've already written it, I guess. Sagittarius cluster. Okay. So I guess, yeah, from the previous one, I think M67 is the king cobra, M64 is the cat's eye. Those are what I remember. What I don't remember still is the M18. I should happen to remember it. M18. So the way I remember M17 was from Omega is you write like this, and for some reason I used to write 7 as this. It's how manifest it does that. But I think my voice is not coming to you clearly, but what I mean, I hope you understand it. M6, we have M7, we have M11, M16 as the Eagle Nebula. Oh, M18 is this one. Yes, we're done with it. We're done with it. So let's check about M64 and M67. I will check it after I upload the video. That's it about the Messier objects. About 40 of them. Let's erase them. Now I'm going to, it's about 9 prominent stars, and there are 8, right, Ascension? So I happen to memorize this as a part of an immediate action after I finished a lecture, and I just happened to find my mind really clear, calm, and really clean, and that was the reason I just wanted to read about this. These happen to be really hard to remember, especially right distances are just a random set of numbers for your brain. Let's try. So the prominent stars we have is alpha stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is not the way I should be writing it here. Alpha 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alone. I might stumble with a spelling right here. I think we write it. It just means alpha star of Cassiopeia. Alpha star of Aries. I don't know. Where Tauri? I guess alpha star of Taurus. Orion. What is that? Do we write Alpha Leo or Leonis? Leonis? I don't know. I need to search about this. Maybe it's Alpha Leo only, it doesn't matter. I think it's Leonis. For some reason, from the gut, and TOL. I will tell you the way I remember this. So, Alpha Leonis. We have Alpha Life. And oh yeah, seminorum. Yes. So we need to happen to write the right ascension of them. Alpha Ursa Major is 11.5 minute. Alpha Aeretis. It's Hamal, right? So for For anybody who is interested in astronomy and whoever is watching this, I will tell you the way I memorize this. It's Mao. I guess I'm a bit confused with this, so it's Polaris, right? 2 hour 32 minutes, 4 6 minutes. I need to know this. Oh yes, 2 hour 7 minutes. Uranus 5 hour 10 minutes. Leon is 10 hour 8 minutes. Lyre. I think it's 18 hour per minute. It's the approximate RA. Geminorum. Gemini. It's the Castor. It's Vega. It's Regulus. It's Rigel. It's Aldebaran. It's Polaris. It's Hamal. It's Bouvet. It's Shadar. And it's Shadar. Geminorum. It's like, is it 7 hour? Oh yes. Yep. You can check this. Yes, I'm confident of this one because I will tell you the way I remember this. So listen, there's a lot of 5 stars. Remember like this: CU, AU, DOLL, Z. What I remember is CU brother, CU, AU. I happen to memorize this as the astronomical unit. I don't know. It's just the wider mnemonic you use, the better you understand. I think that's my hypothesis about it, and it always works for me. TOL, tall, you mean tall, and Geminorum Z. Pronounce it as tall and happen to make an imagery of you happen to make an imagery of a tall person. Z as I happen to memorize this as this 0 or 40 minutes. I just memorize this by routine and add just 1 into it. 1, and then 0 has no value. I told you, wider the mnemonic, better the retention. 2 hours 7 minutes. Hamal. We have a popular player in Spain who is Yamal, has the station number 19. 7 plus 2 will consider to be 19. 2 plus 7, 7 plus 2. I just happen to make an imagery in the mind. Pause 7 minutes. For Ursa Minus, it is Polaris, right? So if you have to like Polaris right here, it is 2 letters, 3 letters, 2 letters. 2 or 32 minutes, 232. For Aldebaran, it is literally 9 letters right here, and first 4 ALDE. If you are in the place, you can make sense of it. Alde, Halde, and I happen to make sense of it as a separate word in my mind. Aldebaran. Alde plus Baran. So 4 multiplied by the whole set of numbers, which is 9. The cardinal 4, 4 times 9. Risal means risal. When you say risal, it's about rising, rise. Then you need to rise at early in the morning, as early as possible. 5 or 15 minutes, you rise at 5:15. Lyre for Vega, it's just 18 multiplied by 2 is 36, 37. Same thing right here, and 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. I just happen to memorize as this, but clearly, you know, this is just a short-term retention. For a long-term retention, you need to just practice it again and again and again and again, day by day, week by week, and sort of Afterwards, you will not need a mnemonic to understand and have written into it. It will be a muscle memory. This goes the same for I remembering the 100 digits of Euler number, 600 digits of pi, which was at first I used mnemonic to understand all of them in the shortest time period possible. Then it was just a muscle memory after a few months, and I didn't even need the mnemonic to recall all those. That's it for today. Boring hours too. I hope you loved it.